Hello my wonderful kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the part 2 video of class 3 mathematics Toy Joy. Okay, and children, please subscribe my channel to get additional lessons and notification. And before going into the part 2 video, this is a very important message to all my students as summer season is started. So please drink enough number of water to keep yourself hydrated, okay, and also take lot of juice and fresh fruits, okay, and also don't forget to keep a bowl of water for birds and animals in front of your balcony. All right, let's go into the lesson now. So on the part 1 video, we have already covered these topics. So if you have missed it, please watch the part 1 video, understand the concept. So it will be easy for you to do the part 2 video also. So let's start. So they have given few shapes here, and they based on these shapes they are asking question. Look at these shapes. Answer the following questions. Circle the cubes. So we have to circle the cubes. So look at these images of the shapes. Can we circle the cubes? So we have one cube, here 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 cubes. Put a tick against the shape that are in cones. So which shapes are there in cones? So we have an yellow cone, green cone and a pink color cone. So we can put a tick. Then put a cross against the shape that are in cylinder. So we have to put a cross. So we have here white color cylinder. There's another blue one. And we have an orange cylinder. Then put a box around the cuboids. So we have cuboids, here a pink one and there's another pink one and we have a purple one. So we have to put a box around the cuboids. So we have done it. We have a yellow color circle here. Did you notice? Because this question was not asked here, but there is an yellow color circle. So next, name these shapes. So we have to name these shapes. First one, with no edges. So they are asking a question, which shape has no edges? So let's see all the shapes. So look at this image. We have a cone, cube, cylinder, cuboid and a sphere. So edges, we have to find which shape have no edges. First we have a cone. Cone has a edge on the top. And in a cube, cube is also having an edge. Cylinder, again it's having an edge. Cuboid is also having an edges. But only the sphere, which is the circle shape, doesn't have any edges. It's a round shape. So the answer is sphere. With no edges is sphere or a circle. Both are same. Next question, with only flat faces. So which is having only flat faces? Again we'll look back to the shapes. So first we have cone. Cone is not having a flat face because the bottom of the cone is in round shape. So on the top obviously it will not be in flat face. So when you see the cylinder, for example bottle is in cylinder face, the bottle doesn't have a flat face. It's having a round face. So only we can able to see the cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid having flat faces. For example, a duster is in cuboid shape. On the top of the duster we can able to see the flat face. Bottom is also flat face. So cube and cuboid. The next one, with only curved faces. So which shape is having only curved faces? Let's go back to the image again. So first we have the cylinder. So if we look at the cylinder shape, look at the top and the bottom of the cylinder. So both are having flat faces. So the question is only curved faces. So the cylinder is not having only curved faces, as we can able to see the flat faces. So the next we have cube and cuboid. So we already know cube and cuboid is having all the sides which has flat faces. So the front, the back side and the top side and the bottom side, all the sides are flat in both cube and cuboid. So these are also not having only the curved face. So next we have the cone shape. So the cone, if you see the bottom of the cone, it is in flat surface. So it is flat. So the cone is also not having only curved edges. So the next we are having the spear shape. So look at the spear shape. Do you see any edges? No. All the sides in the spear are curved. There is no flat face. If you hold the ball in your hand, the ball will rotate, right? If you shake, the ball will move. It will not stand straight because there is no flat surface to the ball to stand straight. With only curved faces, we have spear. The next one with both straight and curved edges. So which shape is having both straight and curved edges? So let's go back to the image. So first we will see the cube and cuboid. We already know cube and cuboids are having flat surface which is a straight edges. So but these two are not having a curved face. There is no curved edges. So next we have the cone shape. So cone shape, again we have the curved edge. See the bottom, there is a curved edge but there is no straight edge. And look at the cylinder shape. So cylinder, both bottom and the top are in curved shape. So both we have two curved shape. And the last one is the spear. We already know spear has only curved edges. Curved face. There's no edges also in the spear. We only have the curved face. So none of these shapes have both straight and curved edges. So the answer is none of these shapes. The last question, with both flat and curved faces. So we need to find which one is having both flat and curved faces. So cone, the first one is the cone. Cone, see here we have both the flat and curved faces. So we have both cone, both flat and curved. First one is cone, which is having both. The next cube and cuboid, they both doesn't have any curved faces. They only have the flat faces. And for spear, no, we do not have any flat faces. And for cylinder, we have both flat and curved faces. So answer is cone and the cylinder. And student, this question is an important question for your examination. Okay. So please practice this question and answer. Let's recap one more time. Name the shapes. With no edges, it's a spear shape. With only flat faces, we have cube and cuboid. With only curved face, we have spear again. With both straight and curved edges, none. With both flat and curved faces, we have cone and cylinder. So now we have given with different type of picture and let's identify these shapes. Okay. So we have the first image as globe, which is in spear shape, a book, cuboid shape, ice cream, cone shape, pencil box, cuboid shape, and a drum, cylinder shape, orange, spear shape, radish, cone shape. Then cylinder, we have a chapatis, and then a music box with Q shape and a ball in spear shape. On the next set, we have a wooden box which is cuboid shape, orange, spear shape, and there is a paper roll, cylinder shape, rubber, cuboid shape, ball, spear shape, and a box which is also cuboid shape. There is a cake. On the top of the cake, there is a cherry which is spear shape, wooden box, cuboid shape. Again, there is a ball, spear shape, and a piece of cheese, which is also cuboid shape. So next we have book, cuboid shape, ball, sphere shape, ice cream, cone shape, dice, cube shape, and there is a pot which is in sphere shape. So we have few more. The first one is a birthday hat, cone shape, birthday gift, cube shape, a water bottle, cylinder shape, and we have crayons box and also a duster. So both are in cuboid shape. And our children, this question is very important for your examination. They might give you any picture and ask what type of shape is this, or they will give a shape. For example, they will give you a cuboid and ask you to draw any picture which is in cuboid shape. Okay. The next one they have given, which shape can you build? So see this child. She is using clay and sticks and she is asking what we can make using this clay and stick. So what she did, she made a shape and she's telling, look what I made with clay and sticks. You too try to make such shapes. So she has made a cuboid box using the clay and sticks. So at the bottom she joined 4 sticks and again on the top of that she joined 4 sticks and by sidewise she supported few sticks. So now she made a beautiful cube shape using the clay and stick. So children, you also try to make such shapes, okay? The next one, in what ways are these shapes the same? In what ways they are different? So look at these shapes. We have cylinder, cube, cone, sphere and a cuboid. So all these shapes are a 3D shapes. So these shapes are the same in 3D shapes. Now we will see what way they are different. So if we take cube and cuboid, we have 6 faces. But in sphere, there is no faces. So again, in cylinder, we have curved face. In cuboid, we have straight face. So likewise, they are different in faces, edges, and even the shapes also, they are different. So we can frame the answer like this. They all are 3D shapes, but they have different faces, edges, and corners. So the answer you can frame like this. Okay. Next one, look at a die. The faces have 1 to 6 dots. What number is on? So see this dice, we have the dots over there to indicate the number. So we have 3 dots here, which means number 3. On the top there are 6 dots, which means number 6. So first question, the face opposite number 1. So if you have a die at your home, children, please take a die for this question. So check what is the opposite number found in the die for number 1. So it will be obviously number 6. The face opposite to number 2 is number 5. The face opposite to number 3 is number 4. Do you know how I am finding this out? Because always the sum of the faces will be equal to number 7. For example, if you add the first one, 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Second one, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. The third one again, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So if we add the faces, it will sum up to 7. So like that you can find the answer. So for example, here see the top of the face. It's 6. So can you find what is there in the bottom, which is the opposite of 6? So what number if we add to 6, we will get 7. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. What pattern did you notice? The pattern is the sum of opposite face is equal to 7. So children, this question is also a very important question. They might give you any side on the dice and they will ask you to write the opposite face number. Okay, you just find out which number you need to add to get the number 7. Alright. The next one, in what order is this model built? So check this model and they are asking in which order they have built it. So we have steps which is in cuboid shape. See the pink color steps. We have 1, 2, 3, 3 cuboid steps. The next we have 2 cuboids again, which is the base of this building. So again on the top there is a long cuboid as a floor. And we have 4 cylinder shape pillars. So we have 4 pillars and on the top of the pillar we have another long cuboid as a roof. So the long cuboid again we have a roof. On the top of the roof we have 4 cones as a design. So starting with the staircase we have cuboids again a cuboid, cylinder, cuboid again and a cone. So we have the next question. What shape do you get if you join a cube and a cuboid? So they are asking if we join a cube and a cuboid, what shape we will get. So look at this cube and cuboid. The cuboid is little taller and the cube is little shorter. So when we join together, we will get a shape of a step, like a staircase. But if they are in the same height, when we join together, we get a longer cuboid, like this. Next question, they are asking how many cubes are used to make this shape. So how many cubes are used to make this shape? But this is little difficult because we cannot see the back side of this shape. Only the front side is visible, but we can guess and write the answer. So first we will check the bottom row. So the bottom row we have 3, 3 and 3. So which is 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. So we have 9 cubes in the bottom. And on the middle row there are 2 cubes missing. So on the top of the blue color there is 1 cube missing. On the top of the orange color we have 1 cube missing. So we have to minus 9 minus 2 which is 7. So on the top we have 4 cube missing. So we have no cubes on the top of pink and blue color also. On the middle row we have another 2 missing, right? So we have totally 4 cubes missing on the top row. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So we have 5 cubes on the top row. So when we add 5 plus 7 plus 9 which is equal to 21 cubes. Next, in how many different ways can you join 3 cubes? Try and see. So they are given 3 cubes and they have arranged in sidewise. So what and all ways that we can arrange these cubes? We can arrange one by one. See like this on the top of another one. And you can also arrange in a triangle shape. See this one. So likewise you can also try in many ways. So next one, name the shapes used in these models. Describe how shapes are arranged to make them. So when we see all these shapes are used by a cuboid. So see the first one, A. The base they have arranged in orange color cuboid and the top of that they have arranged another cuboid. On top of that they have placed a red color cuboid. And see the B1, they have arranged the same size of cuboid to make a tower. On top of that they have arranged a bigger cuboid. And the shapes number C, again same type of cuboid they have arranged to make a tower shape. The last one is the D1, again they have arranged 3 cuboids one top of another one. So they used the cuboid shape to make these models. The last one, use 6 dice to make the following shapes. So they're asking to use a 6 dice to form a cuboid first and then a tower. So let's form a cuboid using 6 dice. See children, I have arranged the 6 dice one top of another one. So by arranging we can get a cuboid shape. So this is a cuboid shape. So if you have dice at your home, please try and arrange and see whether you are getting a cuboid shape and a tower and any other shape of your choice. So this is for your practice. Try to make a tower or any shape of your choice. Okay. So now we came to the end of this lesson. I want everyone to send me an email requesting the worksheet. So the worksheet is little longer. I am unable to attach the worksheet here. Send me an email. My email address is there in the description box. Mention your class number and which lesson and how many sample papers you require. Send me an email. Okay. So please subscribe my channel and support me. Alright. So we are completing this lesson now. So again, give a like button, subscribe and press the bell symbol. I need all your support. Okay. So thank you for watching my dears and you all take care.